Hey guys, welcome to my vlog and episode and this today's video. Ayun, si Markel. Graduation. Markel, graduate ka na.
And she says, I wish that I could be like the cool kids, 'cause all the cool kids, they seem to fit in. I wish that I could be like the cool kids, like the cool kids.
Hey Markel! Hello! Welcome to my vlog-vlogan. Welcome to my vlog-vlogan. And for today's video, what's going to happen? It's your graduation. Graduate na. So nakapila na sila. Mga kids. Tingnan nila si Markel. Tingnan natin si Markel.
Where flowers bloom, colors
Sino Markel
burst,
na?
and the magic of spring comes alive.
Flowers are big, bright yellow flowers that turn toward the sun. They grow tall in fields and gardens, bringing warmth and happiness. Let's welcome the sunflowers.
Flowers bloom, flowers bright, dancing in the morning light. Red and yellow, pink and blue, flowers dance for me and you. Sunflowers tall, they face the sun, golden petals one by one, reaching high to the sky, waving as the birds fly by. Flowers bloom, flowers bright, dancing in the morning light. Red and yellow, pink and blue, flowers dance for me and you.
Hintay na lang tayo. Si graduation na. Ha? Ha? Ito ka na din. Ito na kami. Ha?
Gutom na si Jaja.
Jada, gutom ka na ba? Hintay pa tayo doon. Markel.
The beach, Ghana, Miriam, land winding sea. We will also receive
Hindi na lang natin tawagin sila Markel. Kapila na.
Cameron received the following awards. Muda Markel Jacob Lee. He will also receive the following awards. Public Speaker Award, Young Dancer Award, Body Scientist Award, and Eager Leader Award.
Tapos na. Nakakita na station Markel.
Leader Award.
Ayan. Okay. Dami dramatic. Congratulations, kids! Okay. Ayan. Gusto sila mag... meron silang final. Final showdown. Final presentation siguro. Final song. Thank you daw. Ayan. It's 6 p.m. Yun, nag-base man si Markel. Hinatid natin. Yan. Congratulations. Yes. Markel, let's go. We've arrived to our day. Ay, umuulan. Markel, tara. Markel. Tara. Hey, medyo inubutan tayo ng ulan. Lagay ko muna ito dito. Ayan, dito tayo sa West Bay. Kala Ate Lisa. Bibi. Markel. Cafe Isabela. Mga cousins. Hi! Ang ating guest for today's video, guys. Pumayat ako. Dahil ba? Pumayat na pero mabubuyan natin ng pagkain. Ayan, guys. Easy tayo. Easy. Easy. Thank you. Anong tawag dito, Doc? Affogato daw, okay. So, ayan, i-end na natin ang video sa affogato. Sa pamagitan ng affogato. Alright, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!